How to remove mention on Instagram story after posting. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'll show you the quick way to remove mention on Instagram story after posting. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. So without any much ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the story at top left corner of the screen so that you can remove the mention on Instagram story after posting. So here I have mentioned Lionel Messi. In order to remove this mention, tap on three dots at bottom right corner of the screen. And on this menu box, you will see different option. But in order to remove mention, there is no such option. Simply you can add mentions, but there is no direct way to remove mention on Instagram story after posting. The only way to remove it is to delete this particular post. So simply let's tap on your story again and tap on three dots. Tap on delete at top right corner, tap delete again, and you need to repost or add story again without mentioning any user on your Instagram story. So that's it. Thank you for watching.